are various theories that are given for hyperemesis gravidarum. Some says that hyperemesis gravidarum or excessive vomiting is due to hormonal change, or some says it is due to dietetic deficiency, or some says it is due to psychogenic factor, or some says it is due to decreased gastric motility or allergic or immunological. So there are various theories. Now we will discuss one by one. फर्स्ट इज हार्मोनल थ्योरी. हार्मोनल थ्योरी क्या कहती है कि ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी देयर आर वेरियस हार्मोनल चेंजेस दैट आर अकरिंग. दैट्स लाइक इंक्रीज एचसीजी लेवल, इंक्रीज एस्ट्रोजन लेवल एंड इंक्रीज प्रोजेस्टेरोन लेवल. व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल रिलैक्स द कार्डियक स्फिंक्टर. जब कार्डियक स्फिंक्टर हमारा रिलैक्स होगा तो क्या होगा, हमारी जो गैस्ट्रिक मोटिलिटी है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगी. That will lead to reducing gastric motility and retention of the fluid it will there, and that will lead to nausea and vomiting or morning sickness feeling. सेकेंड इज साइकोजेनिक फैक्टर. साइकोजेनिक फैक्टर में क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मदर को वोमिट हुई, तो वोमिट फॉर एग्जाम्पल खाना खाया, मदर हैड द फूड एंड आफ्टर दैट द मदर हैड इनिशिएशन ऑफ वोमिटिंग. तो व्हाट द मदर इज थिंकिंग, व्हेनेवर आई एम हैविंग द फूड आई विल बी हैविंग द vomiting sensation. So the neurogenic element it will arise, and the mother, what the mother will think now, that I will not have the food. So the mother will have carbohydrate starvation. That will lead to nausea and vomiting. Starvation की वजह से क्या था, metabolic acidosis था. So ketoacidosis it will take place and the vomiting will occur. So these are psychogenic factors that the mother will thinking, if I will having the food, better not to have the food, and it will lead to excessive vomiting. नेक्स्ट इज डाइटिक डेफिशिएंसी. डाइटिक डेफिशिएंसी क्यों होती है, ड्यू टू लो कार्बोहाइड्रेट रिजर्व, बिकॉज द मदर इज नॉट हैविंग द फूड और द मदर इज गोइंग अंडर स्टार्वेशन बिकॉज ऑफ psychogenic factors. So there is less carbohydrate reserve, and most common it is occurring if the mother is not having food in the night. So when the mother is waking up in the morning, at that time what is happening, the mother will have sensation of excessive nausea and vomiting. And it is due to deficiency of vitamin B6, B1 and proteins. There is decreased gastric motility. Why decreased gastric motility? Due to hormonal changes, and it will lead to nausea and vomiting in the female. And allergic or immunological factors, they are also responsible for hyperemesis gravidarum. Now we will discuss what are the signs and symptoms of hyperemesis gravidarum, or how we will diagnose that the female is having excessive vomiting and when we have to treat it.